What's up everybody? So in these short little episodes we're going to be going over your speeds and powers for your CO2 laser engraver. These are going to be short little episodes, and today we're going to be going over Pine. So again, without further delay, let's go on over to the laptop, check things out. Alright, so we got our Pine board all loaded up into the machine. Once again, we'll walk over to the laptop. This is the image that we're going to be doing today. We've got the Winter Soldier, we got little baby Yoda down there, we got Loki and Stitch. So, we are going to be using 15% power at 200 millimeters a second for the speed. As always, this is a 80 watt CO2 laser engraver. I'll set up the camera, let you guys watch if you want, and we'll take a look at it in the end. Alright, so this is it, all finished up. We'll go in for a nice little close-up here. Not too bad to my standards. Nice sharp lines. Not a ton of overburn. I would suggest putting a clear coat over top of this just to keep it nice. But that is how it turned out. So that's it for this episode. As always, you guys know, if you got any questions or comments or would like to see me engrave on anything, just go ahead and drop me a couple comments. Also, if you have a custom image that you guys like, don't forget to check out my website. You already know where the link is. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next build. Bye-bye.